It's a great event as it gives us the platform to actually get in front of multiple investors in a market that we want to be much more active in.
It's in a fabulous location here in the Ambassador's residence. Great to see a very broad selection of some of the most large public and corporate pension funds in Japan, so yeah, I'd wholeheartedly recommend it.
The big thing about coming to Japan is there's a lot of wealth and a lot of money here, and the Japanese have been looking to diversify for years. In Japan, interest rates are even lower than we've had in the UK. In the UK for the last few years we've had base rate at about 0.5%. In fact, Japan's had that for over 15 years. So they're looking at ways that they could actually invest into the global markets. Now it's still only a slow trickle, but in fact they could invest much more, and they're gradually looking for more and more opportunities. Now, one of the things we have in the UK is actually one of the best asset management industries there is in the world. And we've got the expertise, not just investing in the UK, but also across Europe and globally.
So in terms of doing business in Japan, a UK asset manager, clearly one of the key things to do is to understand the Japanese marketplace. That's both in terms of the different types of clients and their needs, and also the assets they're interested in investing in. And in any jurisdiction, the different clients will have different perspectives about what's important, and that will come about for a number of factors, not least their own economy and how that fits in with the global economy.
Equity investment has been around for many, many years, but it's quite fascinating to see today how people have different ideas, how they kind of improve on something that has been around for more than 100 years. So I think it's kind of, how shall I say, just the abundance of talent and new ideas for investment. I suppose that's the strength.
Institutional spaces, we started to reform GPIF, Government Pension Investment Fund. That is the largest pension fund in the world. Their management reform are starting right now, and I think they change. If they change management structure, I think they are much eager to hire performance-based fee managers. And if you provide excellent return, GPIF should pay to portfolio manager in the UK. That's also quite important opportunity for the foreign asset manager, including UK asset manager.